Hello everyone and welcome back. If you follow my channel, you will know that I have been working on a Streamdeck app with my friend Jonathan. The goal of the app was to replace an Elgato Streamdeck, and we actually managed to do just that. If you want to learn more about the process of developing the app, make sure to check out some of my previous videos. In this video I will try to show you how to install and set up the Streamdeck project, so let's get right to it. We will start with the installation for that. First, go to the GitHub page linked in the video description, click on Releases, and download the app on your phone. Currently only Android is supported because we can't get our hands on a Mac. Also, make sure to pick the newest release. Then go ahead and install the app. You may have to trust unknown sources because the app is not on the Google Play Store nor the Apple App Store, but this process should be pretty self-explanatory. For the PC side of things, go to the GitHub page again and download the Python file from the newest release on your PC. Then move the Python script to a safe space on your computer where it will be not deleted. For example, download would not be a safe folder. Also, you need to make sure that you have Python installed and you need to note down the installation path of which. Then install sockets with pip install sockets. Then you can open OBS back up. Then go to Tools, Scripts, and then go to the Python Settings tab in the window that opens and enter the path of your Python installation. Then go back to the Scripts tab and click on the plus icon in the bottom left corner and select the Python script that you downloaded earlier. Next, you want to click the Script Log button to see the status of the server. Right now, there shouldn't be anything in this console. To then start the server, click on the Start Stop Server button. You should see a server started and server running message in the console. And to stop the server, click on the same Start Stop Server button as before, but wait until you see a server stop message before closing OBS. But for now, I will leave the server running. You might also need to create a firewall exceptions for incoming connection on the current port. Then open the app and enter the IP and port that are displayed in OBS or that you entered manually. Then click on Connect. In the app itself, you can choose templates by swiping right and clicking on the corresponding name. And you can also customize the functionality of a button by holding on it. Then choosing what the button should do, like switching a scene, and then entering additional information like specifying what scene to switch to. There is also a written documentation available, which I will link in the video description as well, but you can also find it on the GitHub page. And that's it for this week. I hope I could help you a little bit, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, maybe consider subscribing and liking to help me making more videos just like this one. And till then, see you next time.